Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to record your Mac screen with audio. First, open QuickTime Player, which you can find in your Applications folder. Once QuickTime is open, go to the File menu at the top of your screen and choose New Screen Recording. This action will bring up a small toolbar at the bottom of your display, giving you several options for your recording. This is your starting point for capturing content. Now, let's choose what part of your screen you want to record. On the toolbar, click the screen icon. You'll then have two main options: record the entire screen or record a selected portion. If you choose a portion, simply click and drag your mouse to define the exact area you wish to capture. This flexibility allows you to focus on specific content without including unnecessary parts of your desktop. To add audio to your screen recording, click the Options menu on the toolbar. Here, you'll see a section for microphone. Select your preferred audio input source, whether it's your Mac's built-in microphone or an external one. It's crucial to ensure the volume level is set appropriately to capture clear, audible sound. A good audio setup makes a significant difference in the quality of your final recording. Once your settings are configured, simply click the Record button to start capturing your screen and audio. When you're finished, look for the small square Stop button in your Mac's menu bar at the top of the screen and click it. Your recording will then open automatically, allowing you to preview and save it. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Saving your work is simple and ensures your efforts are preserved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.